Hello everyone, just Cheryl here. If you've watched our last two videos, you know we left the shop, headed to Utah, found an awesome Forest Service dispersed camp area, and already did some exploring in Red Rock. In this video, we made it to Bryce National Park for our second visit. On our first visit 2 years ago, we were only passing through and were unable to spend time hiking in any part of the park. We knew we'd eventually return, and now here we are. Now, let's go explore. Between reviewing maps and trail info online and the printed park hiking details, we settled on a hike to see the Queen's Garden. It is noted as one of the more popular hikes, was not too long or too short, and we'd be done by lunch, and still have time to visit some of the park's overlooks in the afternoon. I thought the descent to the canyon floor was breathtaking. It was exciting to view the terrain, hoodoos, and various formations closer than being up on the rim. So here's our trail, and we're still going down. And then we have to go this way over there. We arrived mid-morning and were pleasantly surprised that there were no wait at the entrance, and it was easy to drive ourselves around the park and not depend on the shuttle. Make sure I don't fall off the ledge.
I can.
You can't stand up in that one? The hike, however, was very busy and felt crowded. A big change from our experience hiking in Red Rock, where we were mostly alone for a few hours. The ascent back up was a surprise. Unlike coming down from Sunrise Point, where you were out in the open, this portion has you climbing through a slot canyon. It was also a welcome respite from the heat. Bear, I have to squat too. After the hike, we found a picnic area and settled in for lunch before driving to a few sites along the rim, including one of my favorites, the Large Arch. On the way back to camp, we stopped in Bryce City at the Ruby Inn General Market for ice cream. This is definitely the place to go for supplies and souvenirs, and especially ice cream. After Utah comes Wyoming, and we finally get the kayak out and explore two great floating and fishing areas on the North Platte River. Until next week, thank you for joining us and checking out our custom camper and travels. We greatly appreciate hearing from you, especially getting questions on the rig. Click that thumbs up if you liked the video and drop us a comment or question below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to follow our rig projects, repairs, and updates along with our somewhat meandering travels in this new rig. We're here to share and inspire others who are building and traveling in RVs. We hope to see you out on the road, and good luck with your working and exploring.